Simple, soft, and elegant. This is what this stunning Dahlia composition is all about. I'm loving those gold leaves and I'm loving the red Dahlia. I'm loving everything about this piece. The golden leaves, the white flowers, so beautiful. Check out today's painting. You're gonna love it. Hello again everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you so much for being here. Really do appreciate you guys, and I couldn't have done it all without you. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned and visiting my channel and checking out my work. Today I am working on a 16-inch round canvas, and I've already gone ahead and put the black base on the canvas. So I just had this great idea of doing a black base and doing colors that would really stand out well on a black base. So the colors I'm using will be listed, of course, in my description box. And for this technique, it's fairly simple. I'm just using a spoon, a simple tool, to swipe each and every design, the flowers, the leaf on this canvas. So I do hope that you guys stay tuned and check it out. I am using 3 shades of gold in this, 24 karat gold, brass gold, and champagne gold. As I said before guys, everything is listed in the description box below. Please know that all of my artwork are available for purchase. And you know what guys, Mother's Day is coming up. Special occasions are coming up, and I'm just doing these fun pieces that are just perfect. They're small, they're ideal, and they're just great gifts for a special occasion. So I do hope that you guys will contact me, find me on Instagram if you want me to do a piece for you in your special colors. I can do this piece and put like a message or something in it, say mother or love or whatever it is that you would love for me to do. I can just do some kind of engravement in this piece. So I do hope that you guys will check out my description for my email address. I'm also on Instagram, Camille Amoy at gmail.com. That's my email, and then my Instagram, camille.amoy.art. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. And of course, for my new viewers and for my returning viewers who haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate every single support. Thank you all. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Isn't this stunning, guys? Check out these beautiful flowers and those golden leaves. And to know that all this was created by just pouring paint on canvas and then swiping it with a spoon. I'm loving it, guys. The pearl white with the champagne gold, that metallic red, I think it's garnet. But I guess it gets all the names of the colors will be listed in the description box below. It's just amazing, and I'm loving it on the black base. And you know what, guys, I'm going to be resining this one, so it's gonna pop even more. It's gonna be so beautiful. So don't go away, guys. Do stay tuned for the dried result coming up. Here it is, all dried. It dried well. I'm loving the sheen in this. The black is just amazing, and all the colors that I use for today's painting is all metallic. It's just amazing, guys. I'm loving it. The simple white, the pearl white, the champagne gold, those soft colors, and the pearl. Yeah, I did say the pearl white, but I mean the rose gold mixed with that garnet red. They're just such amazing, beautiful color combination. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're in tune each time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching to the end, and I will see you next time on Camila More Art. Bye.